it's me, the Ultra Wizard 1232, and today we're going to play Build Boat. And yes, this is Noise. This is my new playlist, Build Boat. And we've reached 20 subscribers. By the time you're watching this, it's already 21. But yeah. And today we're going to be talking about this guy. No, never mind. Not you. Sorry. This guy. Oh, you're sorry. Oh, sorry. This. I'm just spying on my prisoners that aren't really prisoners because yeah. I'm spying on these people, but they don't see me because today we are doing X-ray vision. You can't see nothing on this side, but you can see everything on this side. X-ray vision. Okay, let's start off on how to make this. First, you need the screwdriver tool. You know, screwdriver where you can anchor, make collision, and make the shadows off and stuff, and even make it invisible. Lol. We just grab any block, but it cannot be this. It cannot be the glass block. Okay. So I'll use concrete. Make sure it's on. You also need a scaling tool, or you could just do this, which will take longer. So yeah. Sorry for all the people that don't have the scaling tool. So just scale it however you want. I will do it like this. Now grab it, put it to 25 transparency. And then you grab a block, put it 25, put it here, and put it in here, just like this. Now put that there. Boom. Now you can still see through it, so that's why you need to put 3 blocks. Wait, there. 3 blocks. Another 25 transparency. Put it back here. If you can't see it, make it the way for it. You could see it right there, and just go back 1, and then just leave this sticking out, and just make it go up. And then just do that. And now what you could do now is just put a block there. Just put a glass block. Only works if you get a block, if you have a glass block. And yeah, X-ray vision. X-ray vision. I don't quite understand how that even works, but yeah, I just saw this on a tutorial and thought it would be cool to show it off. So yeah, another thing you could do with this is put a block here and an anchor, put the merging level red, and get this. What did I do? Turn it like this, and just do that. Now make it for it can extend all the way, and now you could add multiple, but they have to be like exactly there. And if it's like this, then just make the extend level a little bit lower. A little bit lower. 2, 1. There. I guess that can work. And then just put in glass. Make it extended like this. And then just grab a button, and put it right there, and there you go. It has a full working X-ray vision. This could be good to troll your friends too. To say you're gonna be AFK, and you could just keep spying on them like this, or if somebody doesn't want to see, if you're like doing a build battle, you could do this. You can make the thing and then put the wall there, and then just put the exact same thing, make the wall big enough, and just put glass and you'll be able to see it. But you have to be very sneaky about actually doing the x-ray bit, or else they might see you. They'll just be like, hey, wait, when you do this, they might be suspicious. Hey, what are you putting this for 25 thing? That you might see my build. Or if they catch you doing about to do the third bit, they're like gonna be very suspicious. And if they've seen a video to make a x-ray, they probably will know what you're doing. So yeah. But if you actually make it to do all of this, just make it very high, like this. Oh shoot, no. Oh well. You could just make it very high. And yeah, but you need a lot of blocks, and then if you just want to see what your the opponent's doing, just put in glass. There you go. Just spine I have a big code over there, just delete the glass and be like do. Hello. Oh hello. What are you doing? I do not know. Okay, this will be it. And yes, I will want to do one last thing before I end off this video. It's this. Oof. What? I don't even know. How about this load? Where is it? Very nice. Wait, no, that's very nice high. Yeah, the only way to get these is from Robux. And this goes even faster than their usual. Because look, I put in 5 of them. Look, see, I was deleting them. I put 5 inside of them. Let's see how it looks. Let's see. Get to the end in like 1 shot or something. What happens in just a moment. I'm not gonna ruin what happens. And look at me. I look very weird and weirdy and laggy. This is because of the bad side of Roblox. Lag. I hope that teaches you something too. The only reason why you go up here is just if you want to be very laggy. I am very laggy. You can even see my goggles are getting a little bit destroyed and showing out my actual face. My actual Roblox face, which is a happy face. Yes. My foot is like that weird. My minions. Well, actually, no, they look very cool. They look cooler like this because it looks like they're corrupted minions. Corrupted dark matter minions. This is very fun. Okay, oh my gosh, look at my royal member. Okay, I'm gonna have to end out the video now. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.